are at El Cortez. We're on the 14th floor of the tower building. I love the touches, the small touches, like this lamp, old school looking lamp, and the print work on the wall. And we are in room 1403. As you walk in, you have this beautiful king-size bed. I love the posts on it. Very vintage, very vintage. I like this sleek looking vintage couch, very long. We'll probably put our suitcase on that. You've got this pull-out table. You've got this beautiful like mosaic tiles in the back. You've got these awesome prints, old school vintage inspired prints. You've got Aladdin's lamp. This thing, not sure what that is. And then you have, I'm assuming, the silver slipper. That's cute. You've got some more over here. El Cortez, bar and parking. Some cool lamps and some nightstands on either side of the bed. The flooring is a laminate wood flooring, and you've got this like nice little accent rug under the bed. You've got a cool little desk area, a nice big TV screen. I like that. Complimentary waters. There's no cardboard on this remote control. It's saying it's been sterilized or clean, but I'm gonna get to work and I'm gonna be sanitizing the entire room. I can't assume that it's clean. We've got the mini fridge down here, and guess what? Empty. So that's perfect. Perfect for storing your leftovers, your drinks, your water. And you've got two desk drawers there, one here. Does open. A little table there. Nice little accent chair. Use it to either sit on or put stuff on it. Some more of the artwork. The prints. I like those.
That's the left-hand side of this one.
Oh, I see. Oh, so it's coffee shop,
Yeah.
coffee shop, and bar, free parking. Oh, I see it.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right. This is your closet area. Got a nice little mirror, ironing board, your luggage rack, hangers, laundry bag, iron, your safe. It's a nice deep safe. Nice little potted aloe plant. I'm sure it's fake, but it's cute. I like it. Little vanity mirror. That's cool. Little stool you can sit on while you do your hair and makeup. Perfect. It's perfect. Huge mirror. Check yourself before you wreck yourself. And then I love this bathroom. So they've got the subway tiles on the wall. Very clean, fresh looking. Cool tile floor. A lot of space to store stuff. Extra towels, blow dryer, and diffuser. Yeah. One sink, but again, you have plenty of side on either side for his and her stuff. Again, little accents that make the room kind of pop. This is the shower area. I like this. I like this frosted glass door here for some privacy. You know, your toilet, but some pretty cool prints. I like all the prints that they have hanging on the walls. A nice little window. Let's see if we can open that up. Oh, nice. I love showers. I know we're in the middle of summer. It's hot in Vegas, but I love being able to take a shower with an open window. It doesn't matter if it's the summer or the winter. Wait, what did I just say? I love taking showers with the window open. It doesn't matter if it's summer or winter. So that's cool. You've got your hook for your towels. I like, just like at the plaza with the renovated rooms, you've got the shower head on that side, obviously, but you have the knobs here to turn them on, so you're not reaching in there to turn on the water. And yeah, it's got this half glass thing, so hopefully the floor doesn't get too wet. We'll let you know what happens with that. But yeah, I mean, these are the renovated tower rooms. And yeah, I'm digging it. I'm actually digging it way better than the Bellagio. I really am. All right, so let's talk about the outlet situation. You've got a USB port and an outlet right here, so that's cool. Plus this little cool little clock radio, I'm assuming, has 2 USB chargers on top. That's pretty cool. I like that. You have an outlet down here. Let's see. You have another outlet here and another one there. So you got 2 outlets in close proximity. Again, same with this lamp. You have a USB port and an outlet. Light switch. Bathroom, you've got your standard outlet by the sink. So you could plug in dryer, blow dryer in there if you wanted to. But I think I'm gonna wanna do my hair over here. You got the outlets here. Plug in your curling iron, your straightener, your blow dryer. I like that. That's pretty much it. In the whole place, I found 1, 2, 3, 4 USB ports. So that's cool, right? So yeah, I tried looking under the couch to see if there was an outlet there. So that is the outlet situation.
Look at the Duran.
Oh yes, so Hog came out to the window. That's the first thing he did. You know, to enjoy the view. Look at that. We have the view of the strip.
That's cool.
That is fucking awesome. I'm sorry I cussed, but we've got view of the Strat. We've got view of Resorts World. You could see Wynn and Encore off in the distance. You can even see Caesar's Palace. It's awesome. You can see Westgate. I love this view. And then you have East Fremont. I like that view too. Yeah, that's cool.
But I've seen that Duran from the plane.
Okay, so Hog, this is what Hog really liked. He noticed, it says Duran, so Cinnamon.
Yeah.
It's a sign. You have to come stay at El Cortez, Cinnamon. But yeah, it says Duran, and then in small print over there, you see it says aware. So it's pretty cool, and Hog says he's seen this from the plane.
Yep.
So I've never seen it, or if I have seen it, I just don't remember it and stick out. But it's got an awesome view of the strip, the mountains. Well, I guess that's not East Fremont. No, that's not East Fremont. Well, East Fremont runs this way. Runs along the x-axis. The strip runs along the y-axis. Does that make sense? No? All right. Anyway, this is a tower room. Again, I don't know if there's a specific name for this. You can't hide. You're sorry. But yeah, I like it.
It's nice. It feels clean.
It does feel clean.
The 7 Magic Mountains.
7 Magic Mountains. But if you know me, I'm gonna get to work. I'm gonna disinfect this biatch. All right, so let's talk cost. I got a flyer in the mail from El Cortez, and it was for 3 comp nights in July. We're like, well, July no good. We're gonna be here in June. So I called. They transferred me to a casino host. I think his name is Nord. And I explained the situation. You know, we have a channel. We were really looking forward to doing a room review, a room tour of El Cortez. We've never stayed here before. Problem is we're not going in July, we're coming in June. And I told him, look, you offered us 3 free nights in July. We just need 2. We're just asking for 2, and if you could transfer it to June. I said, no problem. So he was really accommodating. So again, another win for downtown hotels. So we got 2 comped nights. Originally could have been 3 comped nights, but you know, we're not greedy.
Yeah.
And so, yeah, so it's comped. And I don't remember discussing resort fees, but they're cheaper downtown anyway. So if they're waived, that's the cherry on top of the ice cream sundae. But if not, it's still a cheap stay. If you guys liked our room tour here at the El Cortez, please give us a like, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and don't forget to click that notification bell just to keep you up to date as far as any new videos we post. So.
And if you've stayed in El Cortez, maybe the older rooms, let us know. Leave a comment below. The newer area here is super nice, so we'd be interested to know what the difference is between the old rooms
and the
new
renovated rooms. Yeah, so please leave a comment in the comment section. Let us know if you stayed here, what your thoughts are, and if you had a different type of room, let us know. That is the room tour of the tower room king bed at El Cortez.
Did you get the temperature?
What temperature? A cool 69, and you can feel it walking in.
Nice.
So yeah,
Ain't nothing wrong with 69.
that's a plus for what?